Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iMessage activation failed, network and carrier fixes step by step clearly. First, check that Apple's system status page shows iMessage and FaceTime are available in your region. Make sure your iPhone has a stable connection by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test both. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh network registration. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary network and messaging glitches. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically to prevent activation errors. Open Settings, Messages, and turn iMessage off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn iMessage on again. Open Settings, FaceTime, and turn FaceTime off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn FaceTime on again. In Settings, Messages, tap Send and Receive, and confirm your phone number and Apple ID are selected correctly. If your number is missing, tap your Apple ID, sign out, then sign back in and try again. Go to Settings, Phone, and confirm my number is correct and formatted properly. Check that your SIM card is active by making a normal phone call and sending a regular SMS. If calls or SMS fail, contact your carrier to confirm your line supports SMS and international SMS if required. Ensure you have carrier credit or an active plan, because iMessage activation may require a carrier SMS. Go to Settings, Cellular, and enable cellular data for messages if you are using mobile data. Go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and temporarily enable LTE or 5G for better activation reliability. Disable any VPN or proxy app, because it can block Apple activation servers. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the info icon on your network, and turn off any custom DNS or set it to automatic. Try a different Wi-Fi network, because some routers or workplaces block the required ports. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test iMessage activation again. Go to Settings, General, About, and wait for a carrier settings update prompt. Then install it if it appears. Update iOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version available. Remove and reinsert the SIM card carefully. Then reboot the phone to re-register with the carrier. If you use dual SIM, set the correct line for messages in Settings, Messages, and also in Settings, Cellular. Sign in to the same Apple ID on the device by going to Settings and confirming your account is not restricted. If you recently changed carriers or ported your number, wait up to 24 hours and ask the carrier to complete provisioning. If activation still fails, try activating with only cellular data or only Wi-Fi to isolate the failing network. As a final carrier check, ask your carrier to enable shortcode and premium messaging blocks off for activation SMS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.